solve them by graphing. So first of all, in order to graph, we want them in standard form, ax squared plus bx plus c. So for our first quadratic function, we're going to want to subtract our 4 to both sides. So now we have our quadratic function of x squared minus 2x minus 4 equals 0. So in order to do this, I'm going to show you how we can use our calculator to graph. So first, we're going to hit y equals. We're going to type in our function, x squared minus 2 times x minus 4. So then we can hit graph. So in order to find our zeros, so where it crosses our x-axis, we're going to hit second, trace, go down to number 2. So when we're looking at our left bound, what I want you to do before we get started here, just to give you a guide, if we have a parabola that's facing up and it's intersecting our x-axis, these would be our solutions. So the left bound is above that point and our right bound is below. Here it's opposite, left bound, right bound. So if we have then a parabola that's facing down and it's crossing our x-axis at those 2 places, so those are our 2 solutions. Down below is our left bound and above is our right. Left bound, right bound. So looking at this, we know to find our left bound, we need to be above our point. So here's my left bound, so I'm going to hit enter. So my right bound is below. Hit enter again. So guess, now it tells me my 0 is at negative 1.24. So negative 1.24 is about in here. So I'm going to plot that point. So I know one of my solutions is x equals negative 1.24. So let's find the second one. So we hit second, trace, number 2. So now we're looking over here. So my left bound is down below. Hit enter. My right bound is above. Hit enter. Guess. So now my 0 is at 3.24. So 3.24. So then what I'm asking you is just to make a guesstimate on how to sketch this. So it looks like it's crossing around the 4. So we have a parabola that looks about like this. Just need a sketch of it. So we know our 2 solutions is x equals negative 1.24 or 3.24. Let's take a look at our second one. This is in standard form, so we don't have to change anything. So let's do y equals, clear out what we originally had, x squared plus 1/2 x minus 1/4, graph. So this one is a little bit closer. So to find our zeros, we do second, trace, number 2. So this one we're still working here. So our left bound is above. Our right bound would be below. So we have 0 at negative 0.81. So negative 81 hundredths. So we know one solution, x equals negative 81 hundredths. Or let's find the second one. So second, trace, 2. Left bound is down below now. Right bound is above. After hit guess. We're at point, so 31 hundredths this time. So we have a graph that's sketched like this. So our 2 solutions are x equals negative 81 hundredths or 31 hundredths.